Hello everyone, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome to my art channel. Thanks for coming back to see another video. Today I'm going to do a large rectangle. It's a 60 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I saw an artist the other day that works a lot in pastels, and her paintings are just gorgeous, and it inspired me to have a go of doing a painting just using pastels. So I'm looking forward to this. So let's get started. Right, so the plan is I'm going to do pink in the center and white and have two stripes. So I think I'll apply my pink paint first. This is called a Persian rose. And then on the edges, I'm going to put the titanium white. So the first color I'm going to put on is just a mixed up color that I have, that's a violet color. So I'm going to put that down on both sides here. And then I've got a mixed up sky blue color. Then I have a Azo yellow medium. And this one's called a Naples yellow red. I haven't used this colour before, so it's a bit exciting. And then to finish off, today we're going to use silver. Okay. Now we'll give it all a blowtorch. Doesn't look like I've got any. Oh, I've got a couple of bubbles in there, so I'll just get rid of those first. I see a bubble right there. It's not popping. Okay. Okay. All right, now I'll do some. I forgot my paint to flood the canvas, so I'll just put a bit more of the pink on each side. Whoops, I hit the cup on that there. All right, and a little bit more white on the other side. You can still actually see I've got plenty of paint on there, I don't really. Okay, good. All right. this funny colour down here that I need to work on, so I'll just have to get in that bit too. Here, I don't like that bit. I want it to be pure white in that area, not have any other colour in there. I'm pretty happy with that, so I might, unless I do some minor tweaks on there, I'm pretty much satisfied with my work here, which is fantastic. I've got lovely true colours, so I'll bring you off the tripod and show you a close-up. Okay, so here's a close-up. I've got like a river running through, a pink river running through the middle there, and some negative space over here. So there's some interesting colours going on, lots of cells. Anyway, we'll see what it turns out like when it's dry. But for now, looking pretty good.